The Lazy Sparrow. Beautiful story. Once upon a time, in a lush forest, lived a little sparrow named Pip. While all the other birds busily built nests to prepare for the rainy season, Pip decided to relax. "There's plenty of time," he chirped, hopping from branch to branch. Day after day, Pip played and ignored the warnings of the older birds. "Pip, you should start building your nest before it's too late," they advised. But Pip just laughed. "The sun is shining, and I'm having fun." Soon, dark clouds gathered, and the first drops of rain began to fall. Pip realized he had nowhere to stay. As the rain poured, he shivered on a cold, wet branch. "Why didn't I listen?" he thought sadly. The other birds, safe and warm in their nests, felt sorry for Pip. One kind sparrow shared her nest, saying, "Let this be a lesson for you." Grateful and ashamed, Pip promised never to procrastinate again. When the rainy season ended, Pip worked harder than ever to build a strong, cozy nest for the future. Moral: don't delay important tasks. Prepare for the future, so you won't face difficulties when it's too late. Thanks for watching.